Hi, this is Deborah Winsong with Expert Village. And in this segment, we'll talk a little bit about wire wrapping. For that, you definitely need your round nose pliers and also a flat nose, but mostly you'll be using the round nose so that you don't put any crimps in your wire and you can have smooth curves when you do your wrapping. There are several different kinds of wire that you can get for wrapping. One is a round wire, one is a half round wire, and one is called a square wire, where you're actually buying the wire in a square. And that just depends on the style. Somewhat it depends on the stone that you're that you're wrapping, because the square in particular will lie flat, and it might be an easier wire to use for that particular stone. Wire wrapping can get quite extensive. I've seen some very beautiful work done with wire wrapping, and I would say that it just takes a lot of practice. What you want to remember to do is to plated wire before you end up using the real stuff, because there are some trial and error periods for wire wrapping. You could even do some wire wrapping with stones that have been drilled to be used as beads, and that turns